Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to show you this Mother Nature makeup tutorial. I think this is perfect for Halloween. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and let's just get started. So I am starting off just by putting some oil on my face for priming, and my face was just really dry this day, so next I'm going into this NYX cream palette, and I am just literally gonna put this green color all over my face, my ears, my neck, and my collarbone, and it's gonna take a couple of layers, so just hang with me. So now I'm going in with this white color in a different NYX palette, and I'm using this as the highlighter. I do go in with a contour shade. It's kind of like a grayish tone, and it did not look great, so just ignore that part. So with this highlight, I blend it out a little bit more later, but for now, I just wanted to get it placed so I could see it. And now I am just brushing up my eyebrow hairs with a darker color and filling them in. I felt like I wanted to go for more of a bushy eyebrow look because I was just thinking like natural Mother Nature kind of vibes. I am using this Kat Von D cream white eyeliner pencil to go on my waterline and a little bit underneath just to make my eyes look really big. This is the cream contour I was telling you guys about. I did not like how it looked, so I literally just go over it with some more green later. So if you're following along and doing this, I would just say literally just skip this step. And I'm using that white as like an extreme highlighter underneath my brow bone. As well as in the corner of my eyes and a little bit down the sides of my nose. I'm taking this cream eyeshadow by NYX, and I'm not sure exactly the color. I think it's cashmere actually, but really just any cream shimmery beige color as a base would work. I just wanted to have a nice cream base, and I like the idea that it was brown and kind of glittery because it made me think of like dirt in the earth. And now I am just lining my eyes with a black cream eyeliner. So starting with this brown taupe shade, I am just going in the crease of my eyes, and I am bringing it out pretty far. I wanted kind of a lifted look. And now I'm going in with this army green shade and really packing that on the outer corner, and again kind of putting that, kind of dragging it out a little bit, but not as much as the previous shade. And just with a clean brush, I just wanted to blend that out because it was looking a little harsh. And now this super pretty shimmery emerald shade I wanted to use as basically like a winged liner. And I just love this color, so I was so excited about this. So literally just like any winged liner, just dragging it out. I'm also taking that shade and connecting it to my basic, like my fake bottom lash line, because this is a little bit underneath my natural. Like I said earlier, I really wanted to make my eyes look really big, so that'll just kind of help make it look really large. And now I am using this like fake freckle pen, This is from Lime Crime. I just felt like Mother Earth would have freckles because of the sun and like being outside and stuff, because she's the earth, you know. So I was a little nervous because I did a lot, but once I kind of patted them down, I thought they looked really, really good. And I am just putting mascara on. And for the bottom lash line, I wanted to have that like doll eye effect almost, so I drew 3 lines kind of to mimic lashes and really focus my mascara just in those 3 spots. And I'm just popping on these lashes. These are the Wispies by Ardell, and they are kind of cut just a little bit, not necessarily in half, but a little bit. This is the part where I blend out that contour. I just thought it looked a little too brown for me, so blended my highlight and just added green to the contour areas so it still had the depth of color, but was still just green. And I'm using this Clinique Chubby Stick as a cream blush, and I wanted to put that on the tip of my nose and on my cheeks because, again, Mother Nature outside, you know, the sun, so I thought she would have a little bit of blush. And I know I totally like cut this out, but I'm just overlining my lips. I wanted it to be kind of like a plump lip look. So I went with this super bright, warm red color, almost like a pinky. I don't know, this color spoke to me. It felt really good. It kind of feels like a natural red rose color. So I'm just lining my lips and then filling them in with a very creamy lip, I guess it's like a lip pen, because I wanted it to be dewy and everything. So now I am drawing the vines and the flowers. So this is a ColourPop pen, and I was just randomly drawing vines kind of organically, just letting it flow, feeling the energy, and yeah, there wasn't too much of a rhythm to my placement. And then I just drew a little bit of leaves throughout at the tips of the vines and just all throughout the stem because I just figured there'd be leaves. Now adding the flowers. I had a really fun time with this. The pen I'm using right now is the ColourPop pen in a pink shade. I also have a white shade, and I just randomly put on some nice bright colors and put some yellow in the center and just kind of had a good time. And I think that this doesn't need to be like spectacular artistically. I definitely didn't go too in detail, but I feel like it still looked really nice because just like the different colors and everything, I don't know, I was really happy with how it turned out. The more creamier products I'm using right now are from that first NYX palette. I think it's like their Halloween collection of cream face and eye products. And now I'm going to be popping on a green highlight from the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. I just like that this kind of made me look even more dewy. And I am just blending the green down further now because I changed into this fuzzy green sweater, so I had more area to cover. And so yeah, just continuing the green color anywhere where your skin's gonna be showing. I found this cute floral headband that I had, so I just popped that on because I thought it kind of added to the earthy aspect of everything. And that is the finished look. So I'm gonna play with my hair a little bit, you know, get it centered and everything, and this is what it ended up looking like. I was really happy with how this looked, and I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys did too, and I hope you learned something. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!